Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hello, mother.
I know. It's been a long time coming. But we about to get it started, y'all. I got some good content, some wonderful things coming for y'all. So just stay with me. Let me try to stay in focus because yeah, that was a problem the last take. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Stefan. You can call me Steph. You can call me Stefan. You can call me whatever you want to call me. We'll come up with a nickname together. But anyway, yes, my name is Stefan, and this is my channel. This is going to be a eyebrow tutorial. So many people ask me how I do my eyebrows. So I'm going to show you guys how to achieve that look very affordable with minimal products. So if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, I think today I'm going to do like a really natural brow. Stay tuned for the next video. Y'all, so we're gonna get right into this thing. So first and foremost, we're gonna get our eyebrow archer. I got this from the beauty supply store. Most of the things that I'm gonna use today come from the beauty supply store, but I got this specific archer from the beauty supply store. It was $1, and you're gonna want to clean up your brows. I like to pull up mine, like pull on the skin, so it's not like a fold or anything, and I don't cut myself. Be careful, guys. Please don't cut yourself. And just clean up your brows, you know. I'm just trying to get those stray hairs. I try to go in a downward motion, and I just have a light hand, and I just clean up my brows a little bit. I haven't had a chance to go to my girl and get them waxed. And I really don't go that often anyway because my eyebrows are not that thick. So moving on, I have this e.l.f. Duo brush that I got from Walmart. I think it was like $2 or $3. I'm gonna use the spoolie side. And you're gonna wanna brush your eyebrows up and back. So in the front, you're gonna wanna brush the hairs up, and then in the back, or the tail end, you wanna brush them back. It's really quick and easy, guys. Nothing to it but to do it. Then I have this little handy eyebrow pencil. Well, it's not even an eyebrow pencil, it's an eyeliner pencil, but you can use whatever. I use the shade dark brown, that's what I was showing you guys. And it has a little twisty cap. You can twist it up or twist it down. I like to start at the inner corner of my brows. So we're gonna draw a line. We're really just tracing our natural eyebrow shape. So I start from the inner corner and I work my way to the tail. Then I'm gonna duplicate the same thing on the other eyebrow. I like to do the bottom of my eyebrow on both sides first, to see that they're equal. And we all know the saying and how it goes. Your eyebrows are not twins. Mine are third cousins, okay? But anyway, we want them to be somewhat equal. And then I go back to the same eyebrow that I started on and I do the top. Notice that at the top, I did not start all the way at the beginning. And then I'm going to fill them in. So it's just like I'm painting or coloring in something, and I'm just trying to have a light hand and just fill them in. Nothing major. Same thing with the other eyebrow. Start not quite at the beginning, just past that, and trace out that line. And then you want to make the two lines meet at the end. Shade it in. Be light-handed here. You do not want the Sharpie brows. Those are not appealing. See if I'm satisfied. Next, this is like a little cute trick I've learned. It's like hair-like strokes. You just put a couple of lines in the beginning to mimic hairs there, because it's kind of empty in the beginning of my brows because I don't have hair that grows that far up. Next, I'm gonna get my LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Espresso. I was trying to get it in focus, guys, but it wouldn't work. But that's the shade Espresso. That's my go-to color for like a natural highlight for me. I use it under my eyes as well when I'm doing a natural look, but I love this tone or this shade for my eyebrows. I get a flat, small little brush. I can't remember exactly what this brush was called, but it's by e.l.f. as well. You just get like a flat, square-shaped brush. It gives me the most precision. And I like to squeeze the concealer on the back of my hand, tap into it a little bit. Again, I like to pull up on the skin to give me like a clean, smooth canvas to work with. And you're going to trace out your brow. Just like you did when you drew the line with the pencil, you're gonna go underneath that line and carve out that brow. Just take your time and just follow that line. If you were good at tracing as a kid, this will be a piece of cake for you. Then I like to blend the concealer down. So I start from where I put the concealer at the top and I pull it downward. That's going to even it out a little bit more and not make it look so harsh and make the blending flawless. I'm going to come back and blend that out. But I just like to do a little bit of the blending in the beginning so it doesn't dry down on me and I can't move it around. Same thing for the other eyebrow. You're gonna wanna carve out that brow, start in the beginning. I even go past the brow and I'm just tracing that line. I don't know if you guys could see what I did there, but there was like an empty space in this brow because it didn't mimic the other arch the way I thought it did. So I just kind of manipulated the arch and went a little bit below, but it's like an empty space there, if you can tell, where I didn't put any product from the pencil. And I'm just trying to get the arches as close to each other as possible. Again, it doesn't have to be identical. I used to think it did, but it does not. I've even had people tell me, oh, I like that eyebrow, but I don't like the other one. Okay, so after that, I take this small little blending brush. This is by e.l.f. as well. And no, e.l.f. did not sponsor this video. But I love e.l.f. brushes because they are cheap and affordable. And then you want to use back and forth motions and blend out that concealer. Notice I get as close to the brow as I possibly can without messing it up. And you just want to blend, 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 blend. Now you guys are going to notice that I do not conceal the tops of my eyebrows when I'm going for just like a natural, just a brow look, because you don't want that halo look. It's not cute. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it. And I can get away with this look better. Like, I don't like the halo look. It's just too much work. And for me, this just gives me like a freshly waxed brow look. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other eyebrow. Just going to blend, 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 blend. Make sure there's no harsh lines. Up close and in this lighting, that concealer really does look kind of bright. And you can see the contrast between like my actual skin tone and the concealer. But I promise you guys, in regular daylight, sunlight, in person, it does not look that bad at all. It just looks like a natural highlight. And when I step back, you'll be able to see that. So as you can see, they're not identical, but they're both cute in their own little way. I'm going back in with my duo brush. I'm going to use the spoolie and I'm going to brush out the beginning just so it's not too harsh. I still love that faded effect. I'm not done with that trend yet, guys. Sorry. So I'm brushing back forward towards the front of the brow, then I'm going to take it back towards the tail. Check them out, see how I'm liking it. I'm gonna go in with that same blending brush and try to fade out the front a little bit more. You can use your fingers, you can use a brush, it does not matter. So as you can see, I'm satisfied, and those are the brows. Stand back, you know, give them a quick look. You guys gotta tell me what you think. I think I did pretty good. I could have done better, but I think they look all right as third cousins. So this next little hack I'm gonna show you guys, you wanna get your foundation and you wanna get a dry beauty blender, wet beauty blender, it doesn't really matter. But you wanna get something really, really close to your skin tone. Take a little bit, as you can see, I'm taking a small dot and I'm going to tap into it, tap off all the excess. I only need a tad little teeny tiny bit. What I'm going to do is go in on top of my eyelids from where I drug the concealer way down, and just bring some color back to my eyelids and help it blend in even more. I'm going to do the same thing with the other eye. As you can see now, it looks more like skin. You can't really see that highlight coming way down on top of my eyelid. All that means is that I just used a little bit too much concealer, and the next time I just need to go a little lighter. So that's that. To me, that looks a lot more natural, especially like when I stand back. It's more of an even blend. Bye guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys loved the video. I hope you were able to learn something. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna put my Instagram and my Snapchat and Facebook and all my other social media and stuff down in the description box below. So y'all make sure y'all follow me and stay tuned. You know, there's more to come. Love y'all.